Today we're going to learn how to use the ClassLink Quick Cards to log your students in. Okay, so let's simulate the experience that students will have when using the ClassLink Quick Cards. So I'm going to open up the lid of the Chromebook. Once the lid is open, a login screen will appear. So what you'll notice is the sign-in screen is slightly different from the one you're used to. You've got a couple of options here on the login screen. You'll notice one option is to click the next button. Underneath that it says sign in with a different account. So if you don't want to use the ClassLink Quick Card, you would press sign in with a different account. If you are going to use the Quick Card, or if your student's going to use that, they're going to click on next. Once they click on next, it'll bring you to the ComSawad console. The console gives you a couple of options. One of the options is to sign in with Google, but if you're going to use the ClassLink Quick Card, you're going to have your students press the circle at the bottom. Once they press the circle at the bottom, it's going to bring you to a camera waiting for you to put your Quick Card or position your Quick Card right in front of the camera, and then it logs you in. It'll take a few seconds for the white screen window to go away, but once it goes away, it will welcome you to ClassLink, and this is where your students will be able to use any of the applications that are available to them through the district. And they'll be logged into the Chromebook as well. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you.